Okay, bear with me as I don't have any other mode available. So now we go to the other topic, that is operation. Operation and mismanagement are basically not defined in the Companies Act 2013. The meaning of these words for the purpose of company law should be used in a broad generic sense. We basically take a generic sense, not a strict literal sense, which is a meaning of as per the dictionary. We are not taking that. We are taking it as generic sense of these meanings. Operation basically explained by Lord Cooper in Scottish case, that is Elder versus Elder Western Limited. In this case, what has held, conduct complaint should be at the lowest involve visible departure standard of fair dealing on which shareholders is entitled to rely. We also have another case, that is Hindustan Cooperative Insurance Society Limited. Life insurance business of a company was acquired in 1956 by LIC of India. All these companies or the small life insurance company has been merged to LIC, and LIC formed in 1956. On the payment of compensation, compensation has been made to such companies. The directors who had the majority voting power refused to distribute this amount among shareholders. Rather, they passed a special resolution changing the object of the company to utilize the compensation money for the new object. You know that what they are doing? They are changing the object clause. They are not distributing that amount in between the shareholders, and they are taking all such amount and they are transferring all such amount to a new object of the company. This was held in the operation. This has held to be operation. What is it? Is it operation? Operation, basically what does operation means? Operation means abuse of authority in continuity. Means it should be a recurring activity, it should be a continuous activity, and abuse of authority. Somebody has the authority and somebody is abusing that authority. Now, what court decided in this case? Court served something done by majority forcing it on unwilling minority may be in some circumstances called operation. In this case, what court has held, that something done by majority has done something, forcing it on unwilling minority, minority is not willing to follow the procedure, and they are forcing that minority has to agree on that point. Maybe some circumstances be called as operation. It was held in Hindustan Cooperative Insurance Society Limited. In this case, it was held. Now, what are the important points of this case? Important points of operation. We talk about operation. We also talk about some sort of case judgments which were held related to operation. Now, minor act of mismanagement. If it's a minor act, however, are not to be regarded as operation. That cannot be regarded as operation. As far as possible, shareholders should try to resolve their differences by mutual readjustment. They have to mutually readjust their concern, and they have to adjust in the form. Like, अगर दो लोगों का झगड़ा हो गया है, they mutual consent से they agree on their own part. They don't have to go to follow the procedure of court. Basically, they want to say this. Moreover, the court will not allow these special remedies to become a vexatious source of litigation. That means court will not allow that special remedies to become a vexatious source of litigation. Okay. Now, what held in this case? It is Lalita Rajya Lakshmi versus Indian Motor Company. ठीक है, मतलब अगर कुछ है minor चीज़, तो that should be readjusted within the organization with a mutual readjustment has to be happened. It has happened in Lalita Rajya Lakshmi versus Indian Motor Company. Now, second is, a member can complain of operation only in his capacity as a member, not in the capacity or a director or a creditor. Means operation case can be filled by only and only a member, not a director, not a creditor, not any distributor. In which case it was held? It is Bellador Silk Limited. Okay. Now next case we'll discuss, that is, in appropriate case, if court is satisfied about the act of operation or mismanagement, court is satisfied about that it is the act of operation or mismanagement, relief can be granted even if application is made by the majority. Majority may file some suit that minority has not done according to their wish. Minority is more powerful here. Majority is not such powerful. So relief can be granted even application is made by majority, who can have been regarded completely ineffective by wrongful act of minority. If minority abuse of authority has been done by the minority, then majority can also go to the court. This case is really, really important. We have to know this. That is Calcutta High Court versus Sindri Iron Foundry Limited. Calcutta High Court, you may basically remember. Sindri Iron Foundry, it's not that important. Calcutta High Court judgment has been held that majority can also go to the court in case of operation against the minority. Basically, this is the gist of this case. Now, Shanti Prasad versus Kalinga Tubes. Shanti Prasad Jain versus Kalinga Tubes. This case is also a very important case in this RCD. This whole RCD, or this whole mismanagement and operation, we need to understand this case in a detailed manner. Operation must be a continuous process. It must be a recurring activity. It should not be a one-time act. Okay. This is suggested by the words are being conducted in a manner used in section 241. Hence, isolated acts of operation mismanagement will not give an action, rise to an action, means that isolated act will not be regarded as a operation. The court events have to be considered not in isolation but a part of consecutive story. They basically what this case has said, that this case has said that it must be a recurring activity if in case of a operation. Abuse of authority in the continuity we are basically talking about. Now, third case, it's probably a fifth case of ours. How many cases we have discussed? We have discussed Lalita Rajya case. In this case, what we can say, that minor act of mismanagement can be neglected if they agree through the mutual readjustment. Now, second case, Bellador Silk Limited, even members only can file the complaint. Okay, members can only file the complaint. Fourth case, Calcutta High Court, majority can also go to the court. We have discussed. Shanti Prasad, recurring activity should not be isolated act. Fifth. However, in Tea Broker Private Limited, Hemendra Prasad Bora, Calcutta High Court observed that an act may be a single act done on a particular occasion if the effect of an act will be a continuing nature. In this case, Calcutta High Court has held that a single act can also be termed as a operation if the effect of that act isn't recurring in nature, so continuing in nature. Okay, like I have did something, but that effect will go on and on. Then it should not be considered as a one-time activity, because the effect of that act is on and on, going act. And the member concerned is deprived of his right, and privileged member basically deprived of their rights and privileges of all time in future. Now, past act of operation will not entitle a plaintiff to seek a remedy under section 241. Means under section 241, what is the application under section 241? 241 is basically related to the operation. Okay, so past act of operation will not entitle a plaintiff to seek the remedy. If a plaintiff goes to the court and that act is some sort of 50 years back when he joined the company, then that act will not be termed as a operation. It should be a relevant or a recent activity they are basically talking about. It should not be a past act of operation. Okay, now we come to the operation application to tribunal for relief in case of operation. Any member of the company may apply to the tribunal provided such member has right to apply under section 244. Basically, before going to this section, before discussing section 241, we have to discuss section 244, which is right to apply. Who can apply in case of operation and mismanagement? We already discussed that only a member can file the case. Member in which case we have discussed? Bellador Silk Limited. And in this case, basically who can file in case of shareholder, in which company they have a shareholders, then 100 member or 1/10, whichever is less. 100 member or 1/10, whichever is less. Or in case company doesn't have any share capital, and and also a very important point here, that is company having share capital 100 members or 1/10 of the total number of its member. Total number, that means preference and equity also has to be included here. Not even preference or not even equity only. Preference and equity both are included. Why I have discussed this so? Because we'll go with the other case, that is Cyrus Mistry case. In that case, is this total number comes into the picture. So we'll discuss that also in our upcoming lectures. So now, members holding not less than 1/10 of the issued share capital of the company. Issued share capital company, subject to the condition that applicants or applicants has to have paid all the calls and all the sum due on his or her shares. मतलब बस ने पे कर दिया हो सारा. They are basically saying that. Now second part, in case of company does not have any share capital, then 1/5 or 20% of the total of its members. Then provided that tribunal may on application, tribunal may waive all any conditions, may waive all the conditions of specified under section 241, 244. 244 conditions, tribunal may even waive off all the conditions if tribunal may think so. And in this case, tribunal will ask the security deposit has to be submitted. Now, section 241. Any member of the company may apply to the tribunal. ट्रिब्यूनल के पास जा सकता है, प्रोवाइडेड मेंबर हैज़ राइट टू अप्लाई अंडर सेक्शन 244. मीन्स राइट टू अप्लाई उसके पास है अगर तो ट्रिब्यूनल ने उसका वेव कर दिया है राइट. 1/10 मेंबर है, 100 मेंबर है और 1/5 मेंबर है और 20% विच एवर, बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. नाउ हु कंप्लेन्स दैट अंडर सेक्शन 2, क्या कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं? बेसिकली द अफेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी हैव बीन कंडक्टेड इन अ मैनर प्रेजुडिशियल टू पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. बेसिकली पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट के प्रेजुडिशियल है कि अफेयर्स जो हैं कंपनी के वो प्रेजुडिशियल टू पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट है, और अ मैनर प्रेजुडिशियल और ऑपरेसिव टू हिम, या उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम है या पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट में नहीं है, और एनी अदर मेंबर और मेंबर्स, और इन अ मैनर प्रेजुडिशियल टू द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंपनी इटसेल्फ. व्हाट दे आर सेइंग? They are saying that any affairs, the affairs of the company have been or being conducted in a manner prejudicial to public interest, members, any member, or the prejudicial to the interest of the company also, any person can go to the tribunal, file an application of operation under section 241. Now second part of this, what it says it, the material change has taken place in the management or control of the company. Material change matlab it's by doing such act, a material change has been happened in the company. It is not like a neglecting thing, it's a material thing. Basically they want to say this thing, and that by reason of such change it is likely that affairs of the company will be conducted in a manner prejudicial to its interest or its member or any class of members. The same thing that we discussed earlier, that it's a material change. Material change has been taken place and it's a prejudicial to the its interest or its member of any class of members. Now second point, central government को अगर ये लगता है कि affairs of the company are being conducted in a manner prejudicial to public interest, it may itself apply to the tribunal for an order under this chapter. It may apply to the tribunal. Now in the next video we'll discuss power of tribunal, which is very important. Now we have already discussed and section 241 will discuss again in this video only. That what we have discussed here, that affairs of the company have been conducted in a manner prejudicial to public interest, prejudicial to him, prejudicial to member or any members, or prejudicial to company itself, to the interest of the company itself. Now material change has been taken place in the management or control of the company, and उसके reason के according by such change, that change has been taken place, or affairs of the company are in conducted prejudicial to interest and member के interest को affect कर रहा है, वो टेकी basically this है. और second thing is सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चाहे तो खुद भी एप्लीकेशन फाइल कर सकता है इन केस इट इज़ प्रेजुडिशियल टू पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. ओके, बाय.